SlickPastor used his multiple skills to disseminate LSH, which is love shouldn't hurt, key messages in an entertaining manner. He encouraged men to adopt positive conflict resolution skills, just like walking away, I don't know how many meters, 20, 25, and just conducting himself with radio shows and creating awareness about abuses and how these people need to be given the right time.
I have with me Nigel, and we all know him. He makes our day. On a sad and gloomy Monday, we just go on his page and he gives us a good laugh.
Thank you so much. I'm great. I'm doing great.
Fantastic. You're one of our champions for the Love Shouldn't Hurt campaign. You're being celebrated today, so you're taking the back seat. Why does the Love Shouldn't Hurt campaign play such a key role?
Right. It's really great because it transforms our communities. It's changing the narrative because for a very long time, people have always believed that true masculinity is through show of force. True power is through, some certain forms of abuse. But through this campaign and the message that we've been relaying over the last couple of months, we've been changing the mindsets of people to let them know that true power is in actually showing love, being able to pay attention, being able to resolve conflicts intelligently and as mature adults. So I believe that this whole movement is definitely transforming our society.
Love shouldn't hurt, you are my protector. Love should